We have been incorporated for about a year. We are now ready to come out of the shadows. Hi there, I'm Ed McNabb. I'm the Director of Business Operations for 3D Printed Homes Corporation. I'm one of 4 founding directors, and I come to the group with a fairly lengthy history, as you can tell from the gray in my hair. I've worked as a manager of manufacturers, shop floors. My last 10 years were spent doing IT project management literally around the world, and I'm here as much as anything to hold the reins on the creative guys and make sure the things they want to do can be done. Frank was the guy who had the original idea. It was his vision that provided the impetus to gather a small group and see if we could get this done. He is our creative director. We have David, who has a long history in materials and testing. He's a specialist in understanding how materials must survive in the Canadian climate. And we have Gary, who is an electronics and systems and controls wizard, and he'll be very heavily involved in managing the machine. And we are all equal partners. We're a limited company, 25% each for the 4 of us. We have lots of room to disperse shares for large investors if that should be required. We have been incorporated for about a year. We are now ready to come out of the shadows, hit the ground running, and start making some waves.